ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the entire team at Tata Tiscon, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. We are extremely delighted to have you here this evening, and we thank you for your tremendous support to this RAISE initiative.
In my capacity of being in the marketing and sales of Tata Steel for the last now 10-15 years, with many other products, fortunately, unfortunately, I have been involved with this construction market or segment, so to say, for the last so many years. And therefore, my interaction with customers have been quite intense in the last so many years. And apart from many other feedbacks which we often get from the customers in terms of product, in terms of service, in terms of so on and so forth, one of the things which has come across very common in the last couple of years is that, especially in our market segment, which is the Tier 2 and the Tier 3 cities, one thing's come out very common is one of the biggest dreams of an individual customer is to make their own house. And the second is to have the best of education for the children.
One of the words that we didn't cover was responsible. We somehow celebrated a lot. We acknowledged and gave a lot of appreciation to landmark buildings, but we slipped up on responsible design and really acknowledging that. So we got really excited when they came to us, and it's something that we believe in very strongly. So it was an award that we were very, very privileged to be part of. The quest was very simple. We just wanted to find out responsible buildings in the country. We got together, I think, what would be India's finest jury to judge them. We went to 10 cities and, of course, had a lot of heartburn because we were going to, I don't know, Ranchi and I don't know, all sorts of places where, as a team, we were not familiar with that community. So we went to 10 cities. We got 752 registrations. The other unique part was almost 99% of the registration was got online. Everything was done online. So 752 registrations, 187 submissions. We had 20 shortlisted, and of course 5 special mentions. For the first time on responsible design, I think it was very overwhelming that people actually came out and submitted. This book will be on view outside, so you can have a look at it whenever, after the program is over. Ladies and gentlemen, perhaps India's first book on responsible architectural initiatives in structural engineering. A little more applause is in order, even for the effort. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Raj. Thank you so much. So this book really has the top 20 compilations. To collect the award for Gurjeet Singh Matharu, may I ask their representative, the lovely lady who's here, her name is a very difficult name to pronounce, Aladani Sridharan. Somebody is winning an award and everybody is watching. May I request the presenters to please stay on stage. For the same project, I think again for the first time, architects and engineers getting awarded together. Hitesh Rathi Matharu Associates. Is Hitesh here? Oh, so you're going to do a replay. Okay, we're going to imagine she's Gurjeet and Hitesh. The engineers get lesser applause than architects. Not fair. May I invite Mr. Madhav Joshi himself, please come and collect the award. collecting it both for the architect and engineer, so you can like applaud twice as much. Can I please request Mr. Jha and Ashish Anupam to please come up and give away the awards, please. Team that worked very hard, ladies and gentlemen. Engineers don't get recognition.
Race 2 is to demonstrate our ability to actually build a house given the flexible design structures that we would want to create. That is a house that can have flexible wardrobes. It can have a house that can have walls that move to expand the space for the flooring when a party happens. It is a wall that as you go ahead in life and you add to your family, you can expand the number of rooms in the house. And this is what is the core essence of Race 2. The most important part of Race 2 is also we would like to demonstrate it physically and put it on the ground and show to the world that it can happen.
I would say briefly the value chain with which this particular customer, individual house builder, goes through. Initially starting with planning and design, then there is the construction as well as material sourcing phase, finally finishing and other steps. See, he goes through various, I would say, issues during the construction. All of these constantly are reflecting his lack of assurance in the various stakeholders who are involved in this process. So what would be quantity of material? Moving on next, please. So is his contractor doing his work rightly, or are there any deficiencies? Or at many instances, he is forced to rebuild things, break it up, rebuild it again. So while analyzing it, as a steel supplier, we have been listening to these kind of things. So analyzing it, we came to the conclusion that the gap which I was talking in previous slide was the major reason why he was struggling in this process. It is our responsibility to provide a platform where we professionals can co-create with these customers, and we will be there to deliver these solutions through this particular platform.
Mr. Raj, you've been there, done that. You were one of our toughest jury members, and you were always guiding us and correcting us while we were in Race 1. Could you give us a few words of encouragement for Race 2 as we head out for Race 2?
First of all, I would like to thank Tata Tiscon to give me this opportunity to meet so many dignitaries, the stalwarts of the profession, architects, engineers, and the Tata Tiscon seniors. You know, you are doing a very good service to the profession, I must say. I appreciate it. You see, the initiatives you always take, I mean, this is the second initiative that I'm part of, are very commendable. You see, in this building industry, I think it has all been explained to you that it was a very good statement that was made that, you know, everybody wants to have his own house. But to have your own house, if you want to build it yourself, becomes absolutely an harrowing experience. It's absolutely very correctly put that it's not that easy. You know, it's not that easy to select the right type of professional. It's not that easy to make a choice of, you know, what you want to have. And then the aspect of flexibility, which has been talked about, which is very, very important. You know, so it drives some families, some husband and wife mad to plan a house, you know. And not only that, so many times it drives wedges between them and it ruins the family. That husband wants something and wife wants something. So it's a harrowing experience, and I'm very happy to see the initiatives which are being taken by Tata Tiscon to help an ordinary man to overcome this huge, this big problem in his life. Because to well, times have changed now. Times have changed when very flourishing people have a number of houses.
Mr. Raj is not very quick to come to occasions, and this is, you'll have a privilege of seeing him here. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please request the audience to give him a standing ovation, please? He's been tremendous as a jury member, tremendous. Thank you, sir, for an extraordinary life and for an extraordinary career. Thank you so much.